Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do a circle zoom in Alight Motion. First, open the Alight Motion app and create a new project. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, like 16:9 for a widescreen. Then, import the media you wish to animate, such as a photo or video clip, into your project timeline. Make sure this media layer is selected before moving on to the next steps. Next, we'll create the circle mask. Tap the plus icon and select the circle shape. Position and resize this circle to perfectly outline the area you want to zoom into. This circle will act as your window. Then, select both your media layer and the circle layer and use the masking option to apply the circle shape to your media, effectively cropping it. Now, let's animate the zoom. Select your masked media layer and go to the Move and Transform options. Add a keyframe at the beginning and another where you want the zoom to be complete. At the second keyframe, increase the scale value significantly, perhaps to 200% or more, to create a noticeable zoom. Experiment with different easing curves for a fluid transition. Finally, it's time to refine and export your work. Play through your animation to ensure the circle zoom looks exactly as you envisioned. Adjust keyframe timings or scale percentages if the zoom feels too fast or too slow. Once satisfied, tap the export icon, choose your preferred resolution, like 1080 pixels, and frame rate, such as 30 frames per second, then save your video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.